you saw the thumbnail, we're going to be turning an old sweatshirt into really cool quadrobics paws. You're going to need a old sweatshirt, a scissors, paint and a paintbrush, and later on you'll need yarn and a hot glue if you want to add fur. First step is deciding how long you want them to be. They kind of bunch up a bit, so go a little bit longer than you'll think you'll need, and cut them both to the same length. Then I'm just going to try them on. The elastic part goes up on your arm, and then the cut part is down where your fingers come out. You'll also need to cut some holes for your thumbs, so just cut little triangle pieces along the sides where you'd like the thumbs to be positioned. Then just go ahead and try them on and make sure everything fits the way you want them to. Next is the painting part. You can look up a picture of a paw as reference. Otherwise, my tried and true trick is to draw an upside down T with 4 little circles above, and that gives you the base. You just round out each of those things, and it actually works really well. This is what mine looked like. You'll end up probably needing to do a couple layers, which is what I've done here, and this is how cute they are. This part is totally optional, but I like the furry finish, so what you'll do is you'll take 100% acrylic yarn. It's important for the brushing out part that it's just acrylic, and you'll put down a strip of hot glue on the back side of the paws and put yarn pieces all the way along, just like I'm doing here. Once you have them pressed on, I like to fold them back and do an extra line or 2 of glue on there just so that it really holds in place while we brush it, because that can be a little bit stressful on the fibers. Now it's time for the fun part, which is taking a slicker brush and brushing it all out. It looks so fluffy and it feels so soft. It's really awesome. I love it. That's really all there is to it. These are super simple, free if you have the materials. If you need other cheap tutorials, check out my channel because I do a ton of these.